Hello, in today's video what I want to do is I want to cover taking your once live Easy Webinar event or that recording that you created using Easy Webinar and take that and turn that into a automated event. It's very simple and it's very quick, so without hesitation, let's get right into it. So here's where I created that video for creating your recording. What you would do is you would go into that event, okay, and you can now repurpose that event to make it an automated event. By clicking on Edit Event, you can now repurpose it. To create your automated event. If you don't want to repurpose it, you can always click on Add New. You can always add a new event, create a new event, and then just simply select it to be automated and then create a new name. Okay? But for the purpose of this video, we're just simply taking that once live event and renaming it or keeping the same name. It's up to you, okay, on what you want to name it. But now what we're doing is we're switching it from live to automated. And then now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the event page here. Click on Select from Previous Session. And then click on Select. Once we do that, as you can see as I'm hovering over it, it gives me the video length. It says 58 seconds because it was just a brief little tutorial that I created here. But once I click on Select, it adds the URL from where it's being hosted at. Automatically adds in the video length. If it does not automatically add the video length as it should, things happen. Just make sure that you preview the video and you add in the correct video length here, because this becomes important. This is your timeline of your event. And if you have any offers, because now your offers, if you did a live event, you know that these offers are already created because you pushed them out live. But now see, if you just use Easy Webinar to create your recording, now you have to enable offers. But for those that have already created offers, these will still be here because you created them for your live event and you push them out live. Now here we have to add in the timeline of when you started talking about that offer, because that's when you'll want to show it, right? Some people, a lot of people are different, but you get to choose what time you want that offer to appear. Okay, so based on the video length of 58 seconds, I want to say, at the 18-second mark, I want my offer to appear, and I want it to stay till the very end, but I want it to end just a second before the actual event comes to an end. This way I know all things are brought to an end before the event ends. All my tracking, everything will be there won't be any issues as far as tagging or anything else. And then if this is your first time creating the offer, of course this is just for your internal purpose only, so that way you know exactly what this offer is for. And then you'll choose your either pre-created button, or you'll customize your own by adding in your own text, choosing your own color scheme so you can get it into the color area you want, and then move this circle to where you want, click outside the box, and it adds it here. Same with your text color. Of course, You get to customize it however you want. And then you would add the whole URL, including the HTTP or the HTTPS, depending on what yours is. You want the whole URL, including this. Now, if you want to enable the countdown on a live event, this countdown timer, you got to choose 10, 15, 20 minutes, however long you wanted. Now what happens is this countdown, what it does is it automatically calculates between the start and the end time to put it on the page. Okay, so the difference between 18 and 58 would be what? 40 seconds. So I'm on, when this button appears at the 18-second mark, it's going to have a countdown timer of 40 seconds, and then it will automatically go away. Okay, at that 58-second mark. But it adds a little bit of a scarcity. I just wanted to let you know that when you turn this on, that's how it calculates what time is on the timers. That is the difference between your show and hide times. And that's pretty much it. It's all that is needed to switch it over and make it a automated event. Because if you've already created the live event and you are just simply you're repurposing it from that once live event, all your content for all your pages are already in here. Your integrations are already in here. The only thing you needed to do was switch out the video. Okay, now there's more details as far as the settings of recurring events. Now we have different tutorials that will cover that, but for the purpose of this video, I wanted to keep it nice and short. The purpose for this was just to simply show you how to now take your pre-recorded event and turning it into an automated event. And it was just as simple as selecting it from a previous session. All right, have a great day.